Hello everyone, today I'm going to be installing this hood protector on my 2017 Ford Escape. The first thing you're going to do is pop the hood. So it is now much later since the last scene I just recorded, but when I opened this deflector, the box was all crushed and this little ear piece here was broken off and there it was shattered into a bunch of pieces. So I contacted the person on eBay to get a refund. I asked if I could send it back and they just sent a refund, so they didn't ask me to send it back, so I just glued it all back together and reinforced it with a piece of inner tube. So hopefully this will work. So now we're going to install it onto our hood. So according to the instructions, you need to wash the car before you do this, which I'm not going to do right now. Maybe I'll take this back off and wash it whenever I wash the car. So locate where the four of these little fasteners where it's going to clip into and remove them. So I'm just going to kind of mock it up in here and kind of get an idea of which ones I need to take out. So that's how it's going to fit on there. So I need to take out this second one over here on the right side, and then skip one and take this one out. Skip two, take that one out, and that one right there. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to use a flathead screwdriver and pry those out. Okay, so I got all those clips out. So now we're ready to slide the shield in between this rubber piece here and the hood. And by the way, the shield that I got is a ABS shield. So put it up here. And kind of wedge it in between the hood and the rubber piece. And I think I'm gonna need two hands, so I think you get the idea. So this will be in there in the next scene. Okay, so I got it on here. It's easier if you get both ends kind of in there first, and then you kind of have to pull down on the middle two sections quite a bit to get them in there. But it also catches on this end here, so you have to make sure that you get that end down under the hood before you push it under there. But yeah, it wasn't too hard. So now we've got to get our holes lined up, which it looks like I've got mine lined up, and we'll put the pins in there. So the deflector that I bought comes with new pins and also these little protectors, which we'll put on the outside of the hood to protect it, the hood from getting scratched up if this thing flexes and hits the actual hood. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on. And get all the got through the deflector and the rubber piece. So now we just gotta get it through the hood. So once you get it all lined up, going to screw that in with a screwdriver. It's not like most clips I've seen where it has that Phillips head end in there, but you can also just push it in with your thumb. This one actually has threads that have to be screwed in. And before you put these new ones in, it will probably help to unscrew these a little bit to relieve the tension on these little prongs here, so that they can come together some more, so it goes in easier. So just unscrew it a little bit so it'll go in there easier. Okay, so we've got all those new clips in there, so it's nice and secure. So now we're ready to shut the hood and then put these little rubber protectors on the outside of the hood here. You can kind of see on the instructions where it wants you to put them. So that's what we're going to do. So I kind of had to let the hood drop and slam a little bit to get it shut, and this didn't just re-crack, so that's good. Hopefully it will last a little bit on the road. And I guess we'll see how my glue job held up. But so now we're going to install these. Just peel them off, and then just reach under there. And I think I'm gonna put it right there on this little, where it juts out on the hood there, because that's probably the closest point of contact right there. So I'll probably, where this kind of goes in there, I'll probably put another one, and then on that side I'll do the same. Okay, so I've got them all on there now, and it's all installed.